Hey, how's it going, guys? In this video, we're going to go over how to make money online as a teen in 2021. Free, fast, and easy. Now, guys, you can just go ahead and click on the link in the description. The fastest way to get to the site, or you can just go here and go to Google and type in this website. Now, if you click in the link in the description, you're going to get more money for joining and using that link. And I will also receive a referral bonus. So this website right here is called rewardingways.com, guys. Now, you can watch videos, play games. You also could do paid trials and offers. Like just for signing up. Sometimes they got stuff like entering your email address and they'll pay you like just to do that. Like it's so many ways to get money on this website, guys. And I'm recording this through my phone, guys. As you can see, all you need to do is have a way to access the internet, guys. As you can see, I made over $1,049.58 so far, guys. So you complete these offers, they give you points, then you convert them to cash. I have $6.59. I already converted it, so I'm going to go ahead and hit this withdraw cash button right there, and that's going to take me to another page right here where I can get my money, guys. This is some of the ways you can receive your money, guys. So they got PayPal. You can do unlimited daily withdrawals. As you can see, all you need to do is have at least $1, guys, and they'll charge you a 2% PayPal fee. Now they also got instant PayPal. You only can do one per day, up to $50 maximum. They got Skrill money bookkeepers, and they also got Bitcoin. So that's pretty cool, guys. So as you can see, I already did a instant PayPal. I got to wait at least one more day. So sometime tonight, I'll be able to do that again. So I'm going to go ahead and do this unlimited daily withdrawal right here. So all you got to do is make sure your PayPal account is correct. You hit withdraw. Guys, so like I said, all you have to do is be at least 18 to join the site, guys. So if you're a little bit younger than 18, you're not allowed to join the site. But I do have another website that I will record a video on, guys. So in this little box over here, you can see my name, Brian Accentico. I just cashed out and earned $6.59 in cash. And you also can go here and see what other members are doing on the site. So you can see somebody right there. Mariah M. Chill One has just completed an offer for $7.80. So you can click on some of these offers that other people are doing here. You can try to do them as well. As you can see at the top, the Bloodhounds X has just earned $23.21. So there's a lot of people doing a lot of things on the site. You also enter a message and people can respond, guys. Like I said, you gotta be at least 18 to join here. And this site is 100% legit, guys. They pay out over $2 million so far. You got any questions? Just go ahead and leave a comment. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want more ways on how to make money online, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Till next time, make some money, make it easy. Peace.